fueled my passion to work with animals as a career. Ever since I can remember, animals have been a huge part of my life. When it came to choosing a college where I could pursue my dream, I broke the mold of choosing an in-state university and decided that The Ohio State University would be the best option for me. What attracted me to Ohio State was the sense of community I felt from day one of sitting in my orientation through the kindness of complete strangers. The Department of Animal Sciences has welcomed me with open arms and has presented me with once-in-a-lifetime opportunities, including being able to travel to Ecuador during my first semester. What makes the Department of Animal Sciences so unique from other college departments is the chance to allow students to not only learn from world-renowned professors, but to experience the material firsthand, whether it be participating in research or working up close and personal with the animals of my interest. Aside from the amazing advantages Ohio State has to offer, I have made friends with students from many different backgrounds, which has furthered my knowledge about diverse lifestyles and career options that I have the ability to pursue following graduation. I am grateful to Ohio State for not only providing me with the tools I need to succeed in my future career, but for making me, an out-of-state student, feel like I have been a Buckeye my entire life.